Yesterday, I was out in the woods and taking photos of the snow, some trees and houses and other beautiful things in the winter landscape. And then I thought that the next day I will go out and photograph small birds in the snow. It's always interesting to see them struggling around in the snow. But then, when I woke up this morning, it was a snowstorm out there. And I thought, should I really go out and photograph small birds in this weather? Ooh. I'm gonna freeze to death out there in this windy, cold weather. Well, even the deers have problems. I'm sorry, small birds, but I don't think it's a good idea that I go out a day like this. Sorry, bullfinch, I'm going to stay in bed today. I'm going to stay inside. But tomorrow, it may be like this.